Welcome everyone. Today we're making a quick and delicious beef recipe, Straccetti with Rughetta. It is a Roman recipe which is ready in less than 10 minutes. Really easy to make, but there are a few key tips you can't miss to ensure your meat stays tender and juicy. So stay tuned. Let's see what we need for this recipe. For 2 people we need about ½ pound of chopped beef ready to stir fry, some red chili, a clove of garlic, salt, extra virgin olive oil, and plenty of arugula. Let's start cooking. Okay, let's take our garlic, clean it, and remove its bud. Garlic bud is not digestible and causes bad breath, so you may want to avoid it. Put some extra virgin olive oil in a pan and turn on your stove. Add the garlic and let it heat up. Add a pinch of salt and wait until the oil starts frying the garlic a little. Don't add too much salt at this stage or your beef will release its water. Your meat will stop boiling and become dry and hard to chew. Add red chili to the olive oil and garlic mix. This will provide a nice spicy flavor to our beef. Smells good now. Our mix is ready to receive the beef. And here is where you need to be careful. We need to cook our meat for as little as possible or it will become hard and chewy. We want to keep stirring and tossing so our beef cooks on each side, but don't overcook it. You want the meat to remain a little pink. It really needs to cook for about 60-90 seconds, not more. Remove the garlic and it is ready to serve. Place your meat on a bed of arugula and its sauce on top. Adjust with salt and red chili to taste, and it's ready to serve. If you need more ideas for a main course, watch this video here and subscribe for more. See you next time.